Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be showing you how to buy stocks before they skyrocket or how to make a beautiful gains. Okay, I'll be showing you where to exactly buy them. Not the kind of the broker or the platform, but at what point to buy them. You feel me? For this is basically for the beginners, and also we'll be showing you a great screener on this platform or filmviz.com to kind of use to kind of find these kinds of stocks. Okay, so if you're ready, let's just get straight into it. And I will kind of suggest you to watch this video till the end, like so you don't miss any kind of information. And let's just get straight into it. What you want to do is go on filmviz.com, then you go and click on screener, bam, just like that. Then from here on, we're going to be going on all. I don't want to go like separately through these kind of sections or windows. I just want to click this all and fill out the filter that I'm going to be showing you right now. And just keep in mind that throughout the way I will be showing you what every single filter means. So the first thing that I'm going to be looking at is for the price. I really want the stocks to be or above $20 or just below 30. So I would just go below under 30. We want to like capitalize on that. Uh, the next thing that I'm going to be talking about will be the volatility. Okay, I mean the price is basically the stock price or like what with in the USD. You feel me? So under $30 US dollars. Then the next thing that I am going to be looking about is the volatility. Okay, volatility, a statistical measure of the dispersion of a returns for a given stock, represents average daily high slash low trading range. So what do we want to fill on the volatility? We want it to be month over 8%. Okay, for the month to be over 8%. So just like here, I mean, I sometimes go over 9, 8, and maybe sometimes 7, sometimes even 50, but it's always up to you. But let's just go month over 7. Nah, month over 8, just like that, month over 8. So this is the volatility for the month to be over like 8%. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about will be the 20-day simple moving average. I mean, basically the last 200 days in their closing prices, and it kind of gives you the average. We want it to be the price to be above that, and it will basically give us an indication that the the price is in a bullish trend. I mean, overall, the stock is in a bullish trend. If the price is above the SMA 200, we can see that it is a bullish trend. Right now, we're left with 127 stocks. I go in industry and click on the stocks only, okay? And I will be left with exactly the same, so we will not make any kind of difference right here. So then what I like to do is go on the relative volume or the RVO. This is like where it gets interesting. So what does the relative volume mean? It says that it's a ratio between the current volume and 3-day month average intraday adjusted. Okay, so if it is over 1, it's a good, basically the stock is volatile, it is liquid. So it's below 1, the volume that day is not that great. Okay, so what we want to do is just go and click on over 1.5, or that's about like what I do a lot of the times. Or I sometimes go ahead and click at the over 1, but yeah, 1.5 is a beautiful kind of average. The next thing that we're going to be looking at will be the patterns. Okay, so what do we want to look at? The patterns. With the pattern, basically the kind of the screener draws us everything with the technicals and all that stuff. So what do we look in the patterns? It's a chart pattern is a distinct formation on a stock chart that creates a trading signal or a sign of a future price movement. Um, chartists use these patterns to identify current trends and trend reversals and to trigger buy and sell signals. So what do we want it to be like? Will be TL support strong, or was it? Yeah, TL support strong, and we will, as you see, we are going to be left with 0. So the Darvel will just over 0.75 right here, and this is what are we going to be left for. With only 2 stocks. So a lot of the times it will be like this. You feel me? At this point, it's always up to you if you want to buy. And at the beginning of the video, as I said, when I said about, I will be showing you how to, I mean, where to buy the stocks. You feel me? Sometimes you could be buying them at the higher low, but you always want to buy the stocks on the higher low or the low. I mean, it's always up to you and what you want to do with that. I mean, this is the screener that you can probably go check it out. Go check out the SC. CSCW, or the Color Star Technology firm, then OMNIQ, or O. This is how it says. This is a software application company. Overall, it does not look good at all. The chart does not look good for me. I mean, it is down. It had a pretty good run up. Just this is just September. At the start of September, we had a lot of volatility going on. But yeah, it is always up to you. You can play with these things. For me, they're also bullish. The estimate 200 is bullish. So yeah. And as I said, where to buy the stocks? I mean, I would try to if I can share the window, because I'm only right now recording one window. So I don't know if it will work. So I mean, yeah, I will just kind of show you right here. So what you want to do and where do you want to buy the stocks will be, for example, right here on the low. Okay, this was a lower low. It like previously it managed to surpass this high right here, this lower low. We had three candles right here. It really looked promising. We had a gap up. We did manage to like go around these highs, past the highs right here. For example, it was basically at the same level. Okay, the high right here was at 125, and we have the high right here at 125 too. So we never kind of surpassed that level. Right now we're kind of going below here. You could be kind of shorting it around 0.8 ish, and then kind of from there on, kind of waiting to buy it. Okay, but just my opinion. We can basically go and click on settings. But yeah, the Finvis, you need to pay for Finvis. It's around $25 a month. So yeah, I'm not paying for that because the screener is absolutely, you can use the screener absolutely free, and it provides you with all beautiful information on there. You feel me? So yeah. The other thing that I wanted to talk about, how to buy stocks before they skyrocket, kind of is the strategy. It will be to use a great broker. Okay, use a great broker. It is always like what you want to do is maybe E-Trade or so. I prefer E-Trade, but yeah. Um, the next thing will be to kind of do your own analysis. I mean, you cannot just use this and kind of go and buy stock before they skyrocket. I would just show you the screener. The screener is absolutely good, but you just gotta know the basics. You feel me? So yeah. And like, if you have any kind of question to the comment section down below, go ahead, like type it out. I will be happy to kind of help you out, guys. And yeah, I mean that's about it for today. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Consider liking and subscribing, because like I do every single day videos like this about like educational, if it is even educational, but I hope it is. Also, I'm giving updates about like the most like not popular stocks that I have on my watch list and that are also kind of like popular. So make sure to go check my channel out. And that's about it for today. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and